नमस्ते, वेलकम टू यू ऑल इन अनुभू विजी विद्याधारा चैनल। स्वागत है आप सबका। आज का दिन शुभ हो। ये है हमारा एनसीईआरटी क्षितिज ग्रेड 10 लेसन 1 सूरदास का सेकेंड पार्ट। In my first part, I have explained you the Jeevani of Surdas and the first paragraph of the poem. Now, in this video, I am going to explain the second, third and fourth paragraph of the poem written by Surdas. Okay, चलिए चलते हैं। फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ देख लेते हैं। देखिए, सेकेंड पैराग्राफ है, सॉरी, ये मन की मन ही मांझ रही। गोपियां उद्धव से कह रही, गोपियां says to Uddhav that you are the luckiest person that we saw in the first paragraph. You are the luckiest person that you have not sticked with the love of Shri Krishna. But we are not like that, okay? In this paragraph, man ki man hi manj rahi. Gopi says to Uddhav that we have filled Shri Krishna's love in our heart. Man ki man is a heart. Manj rahi, we have filled his love into our heart. कहिए जाए कौन पे उद्धव, नाही परत कही. Now Uddhav, you say to us, where shall we go and say our love that are in our heart? And we are paining, the love is paining to us. The Shri Krishna's eternal love, which is in our heart, is paining to us. So we cannot say this to others also. Nahi parat kahi, we cannot say it anywhere. The pain of love, we cannot say it to anywhere. See, kahiye, say, jai, going, by going, kaun pe, to whom, Uddhav. Uddhav is a name. Uddhav, you say, where shall we go to say this painful feel? Nahi parat kahi. We cannot say this to anywhere. We cannot say it to anyone. Okay. Now see the third line. Avadhi adhar aas avan ki. Avadhi adhar aas avan ki. Tan man bitha sahi. Avadhi is a time. अवधि का मतलब है टाइम, समय. आधार, आस, आशा. We were in आस is a wish, hope. We were in hope that Shri Krishna will come to Vrindavan and he will console us with his love. He will give his love. And we are just realizing the pain of love in our full body and in our heart. This pain, the love pain, is a very much pain to us in our body and also in our man. Man is a heart. So what in the third line gopis are saying that we were in a wish that Shri Krishna will come to Vrindavan and he will give his love to us, which are very painful to us in our full body and also in our heart. But what happened? But Shri Krishna has not come now. He has sent Uddhav with some messages, Jog Sandesh. He has sent Uddhav to give a Yog Sandesh to gopis. Now see in the fourth line. Ab in Jog Sandesini suni suni, birahini birah dahi. Ab, now, in Jog Sandesh, now these Jog Sandesh, suni, hearing, suni means hearing. By hearing these Jog Sandesh, now by hearing these Yog Sandesh sent by Shri Krishna, birahini birah dahi, our pain has been increased. Our pain has been increased and he is going away from us. We were moving away from us. We can say a gap. There is a gap between Shri Krishna and gopis. Okay, darhi, the birahini birah, dahi. दही का मतलब क्या है? देखिए यहाँ पर जली. we were burning in his love. Our heart, our body is burning, birahini, by this pain. Biraha chudana, bichudna. Bichudna means to leave away. Okay, bichudna means to leave, going away from one another. So moving, they are gopis and Shri Krishna are moving from one another. That is called bichudna. Okay. See now fourth line. Chahati huti guhari jithi te uttai dhar bahi. Chahati, we were in wish that जहाँ से वहाँ से, जहाँ से श्री कृष्ण आ रहे हैं, श्री कृष्ण आएंगे और हमें उनका प्रेम प्रदान करेंगे. लेकिन क्या हुआ? जित से, जहाँ से, उत्ते वहाँ से. धार, योग की धारा. ओके, सीधा. चाहती हुती गुहारी, रक्षा के लिए. गुहारी मीन्स रक्षा के लिए. The gopis were believing that Shri Krishna will come for our protection. Okay, Shri Krishna will come for our protection. But uttai dhar bahi, par wahi se, from there itself, he has sent a message to us. Dhar bahi, bahana. Bahana means to flow. Dhar bahi. Dhar is a yog ki dhara. Here it is means that the yog dhara, the flow of messages. The flow of messages. From where we were believing that Shri Krishna will come and console us and protect us by giving his love, from there itself he has sent a message, the flow of message, a lot of message to console us. So now देखिए fifth line में, सूरदास अब धीर दराही क्यों मर जाता नहीं लही. सूरदास now saying that, सूरदास ने अपनी कविता में ये लिखा है कि अब धीर धरही क्यों. Now we are not, we have no time, or we have no what is to say. Now the gopis are saying that we have no dharahi. Dharahi means courage. We have no courage now. We have lost our hope. We have lost our hope that Shri Krishna will come and love us by giving his love to us. But now he has lost his maryada. Marjada. Marjada means maryada. Maryada is a respect. Okay. Those who love should have to follow up his love. But Shri Krishna has given a love to gopis. Now he is not following that. He is not following the rules of love. The rules of love, he has to come and see gopis, no? But he is not coming. So he has lost his respect. Marjada. Na lahi. He is not following his respect. Maryada. Okay. So have you understood this paragraph? Shall we move to the next one? Yes, very good. Now, in second paragraph, see first line. हमारे हरिल हारिल की लकड़ी. हमारे लिए गोपियां says to Uddhav. Gopis are saying to Uddhav that हमारे Hari is a Shri Krishna. To us, हमारे लिए हरिल, श्री कृष्ण हारिल के समान है. हारिल की लकड़ी के समान है. Haril is a bird. Haril is a bird. Okay. This bird, actually the bird always holds stick. It will not sit on the land. It always holds the stick. So what the gopis are saying that हमारे लिए, to us, Shri Krishna is like a stick which we are holding it always. Haril, which the Haril birds holds always. We are like gopis are like Haril, and stick is like a Shri Krishna. So always the gopis are holding the lakdi. Okay, see Haril Pakshi holds the kakri, lakri. Lakri is a stick. So Mankram Bachan Nand Nandan Ur Yah Drid Kari Pakri. Mankram Bachan Nand Nandan Ur. So what they are saying that Mankram, Man say, gopis are saying that from our heart, from our work, from our vachan, from our voice. Nand Nandan Ur. Nand Nandan is a Shri Krishna. Nand Nandan means Nandan ka beta Shri Krishna. Nandan's son is Nand, that is Shri Krishna. Ur यह दृढ़ करी पकड़ी. यह दृढ़ करी पकड़ी. हमने श्री कृष्ण के लव को, श्री कृष्ण के प्रेम को दृढ़ता से पकड़ के रखा हुआ है. We have hold the Shri Krishna's love so strongly. दृढ़ is a strongly. So जागत सोवत, जागते समय सोते समय, when we are waking up, when we are sleeping. Swapna is a dream. In dream also we are seeing Shri Krishna. Divas Nisi, Divas daytime, night time. Kanha Jakri. We are always reciting the name, words. Kanha, Shri Krishna during night time, during daytime. Jagte samay, sote samay, we are reciting the name Shri Krishna. सुनत जोग जा लागत है ऐसो जो करुई ककरी. By listening the joke sandesh what you have brought to us from Shri Krishna, by hearing that we are feeling that we are eating like a bitter kakri. Kakri is a kakdi is a cucumber, bitter vegetable. We can say any vegetables that is bitter. Okay, so they are feeling that they are eating a bitter vegetable by hearing the joke sandesh given by Shri Krishna. Sutav vyadhi हमको ले आए, देखी सुनी न करी. You have brought us the disease like we have never heard and never seen it. यह तो सूर तिन्ही ले सौंपो जिनके मन चक्री. यह तो सूर तिन्ही ले सौंपो जिनके. You have to go and say these messages to the person who are not in a constant mind. But we have hold the Shri Krishna's love so strongly, so we no need this joke sandesh. This is the third paragraph. Let us go to the fourth paragraph now. Now in this paragraph, gopis are saying to Uddhav that Shri Krishna has read the Rajniti. Rajniti is a politics. Shri Krishna has read the politics. Samuchi baat kahat Madhukar ke. Madhukar is a bug, said to the Uddhav. Okay, O Uddhav, have you understood what he has said? We are always aware of the samachar read by him. Samachar. When you entered into the Vrindavan, when you spoke to us about the joke sandesh, that time itself we have understood that you have brought some news from what is politics news from Shri Krishna. एक अति चतुर होते पहले से ही. एक तो पहले से ही तुम बहुत चतुर हो. अब गुरु ग्रंथ पढ़ाए. Now you have brought us, you have come to teach us a lesson. Guru is a teacher. Granth is a book. You have come to teach us a lesson. बड़ी बुद्धि जानी जो उनकी जोक संदेश पढ़ाए. बड़ी बुद्धि, a great buddhi, clever buddhi. We have understood his politics and we have understood his way of speaking joke sandesh, his messages to us. Uddhav, bhale log aage ke. In ancient period, the leader of the country, that is Raja, they will roam here and there to do a good for his people. अब अपने मन फेर पाइए, चलत जू हुते चुराए. Now, in this line, gopis are saying that अब अपने मन फेर पाई हैं. O Uddhav, we are very much grateful that we have got our love back. Okay, we have got our love back. That is, we have got our heart back. Chalat ju hute churaye, which has been stolen by Shri Krishna. What? अब अपने मन फेर पाई हैं, चलत जू हुते चुराए. Now we have got our love back. See the second last line. ते क्यों अनीति करें आपुन, जे और अनीति छुड़ाए. Aniti. Aniti means injustice. Aniti means injustice. What the Gopiya is saying now that Shri Krishna always do and say justice. Okay, Shri Krishna always is going in a justice way, but we don't know why he is doing injustice to us by not giving his love to us, but not visiting to Vrindavan. So now in the last line, Raj dharam tau yahe Sur jo praja na jahi satai. Now Surji is saying that it's a Raj dharam. Raj dharam is it's a duty of Raja, it's a duty of a leader or the king to protect his people. Jo praja na jahi satai, should not trouble the people. Satana means to trouble. So it's a duty of a leader or a Raja that he or she should not trouble his people. Okay, this is the end of this paragraph. Children, have you understood all the paragraph? And comment me if any fault is there, or comment me what I have to improve to myself. And one more thing I want to say, that in second paragraph and third paragraph there is one Anupras Alankar. अनुप्रास अलंकार देखिए यहाँ पर, सुनी संदेशनी सुनी सुनी, और ये है बिरहिनी बिरह, बिरहिनी बिरह, ये है अनुप्रास अलंकार. से repeated letters s b, repeated letters shows the Anupras Alankar. See, now in this third paragraph also there is one Anupras Alankar. हमारे हरि हारिल, और है एक यहाँ पर करुई ककरी. ये दोनों भी अनुप्रास अलंकार है. See the repeated letters h and k here. So these are the Anupras Alankar. And one more thing I didn't say to you, this haril bird is a state bird of Maharashtra. Okay ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you to all. Dhanyavad.